Although corrective in nature, the patterns for Woolworths were looking quite bullish during our last review. So just to recap on our wave count, undoubtedly a corrective structure high, so up to the wave A, down to the wave B, a nice move up to wave C. That completes this larger degree wave A. Now the reason I want to see a flat pattern here is that we do have this old zone of resistance, which of course is now acting as support. So the perfect world scenario is that we have wave A in position, wave B will terminate at slightly higher levels just alongside the highs of wave A. If we do see signs of sellers just beneath that 2750 region, then we are going to get one final probe to the downside. As long as the lower boundary of this zone of support isn't penetrated, then the bullish case stays alive and well. And in fact, signs of buyers around this $26 region would offer a nice low risk entry for what should be a decent probe to the upside. Definitely looking for a larger corrective move higher, but if our wave count is correct, then we will be looking for a movement very similar to this one up to the high of wave A from the subsequent low point. That's going to be made a little bit further down the track. That's certainly the more bullish scenario. If we run through the more bearish trajectory, not particularly bearish longer term, but it would mean that the more typical retracement zone sitting around this $25 region is going to be tagged before the next buying opportunity presents itself. Certainly if we see immediate weakness, then we could well see a zigzag take hold. So this would be the wave A still, up to the wave B, then wave C taking price down toward this more typical target area, circa $25, and signs of buyers in this general region again would suggest that we do have this larger degree wave B in position, and then looking for a buying opportunity for another substantial leg higher. The only problem with the zigzag pattern, of course, is that old resistance then becomes old support then becomes new resistance around this $26 region, which means there's another hurdle to overcome before that longer term movement higher that we were looking for kicks into gear.